Today we talk about how can you add qualification on your freelancer app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on your profile here. So when you click here on your profile, it's going to take you to this list here or your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here on edit profile. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here and you come here to qualification here. Then you click on add qualification. So then here can you add your qualification here. Then you click here on save changes. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.